chaka senchira ya bene kurwase county ya Kisii burenchira yamo yogokinia rigesaria kemerigie kawa anena seriro bari ya Gusii yure county ya Kisii na boigo county ya Nyamira nigeo kiombeke mo kimanyikante buna Rainforest Alliance kyabereke go chakya bene omoroberio bwogokonya gusekumanya abantu igoro yogokinia rigeseriga gusewekera ekirengeke anene wetera aso kurenda ebinto bietanaine mwanya bantu no murobiro bakogwekeranwa nabo bisakurwase semo yoburemi ase county chonsi bere county ya Kisii na boigo county ya Nyamira abwasobwamo baba otayona nigo barachi kobwaterana asoko eneke buna ekemeriyo kawa kyabereke gokinwa ase orogongo rwa Gusii Morketo Mildred Momanyi niga gotoigorra norobotiro
kiombe kia Rainforest Alliance nigo giachakya bene umuruburi uyura chikwene kyabuna abaremi bechikawa mbachikorenda na konyora rigesalire igoro asekemerie kyo ekerobara chikurinda ebintu bitwetanaine asogosimeka emete eliyeganeire bunenchera yamo yo kurinda liroba yemanyakanite buna Gusii Regenerative Agricultural Landscape Project asebono umuteneli kurwa kiombe kyo atoerere ikirenga kyabo asaine kiribuna mbaganetie gochago ikera abaremi chiribu ikomi koruase omuruburi yo.
Today I am extremely delighted and proud to join hands with the county government of Kisii and Nyamira in launching a new project. This is a Gusii Regenerative Agricultural Landscapes project that aims at enhancing sustainable coffee production practices here in Gusii landscapes using integrated landscape management approach. We are targeting 10,000 farmers, and we hope that after 2 years we'll be able to utilize best practices and scale up this initiative in the larger parts of Gusii landscapes.
Wakoragwa no mwaziri kurwa ase sector yoburimi kurwa county Nyamira amono motenli kurwa ase sector yechikawa Kisii na Nyamira nigo baenekia gucha kubwatirana elioko enekia buna ekemeligie kawango chikolenta kireli gesaligia.
We are revitalizing coffee and especially now that we are coming up with the industrial park, our farmers, they are now assured of getting a market out there if they increase their production, get organized, and our coffee will get the market out there. And that is the business that Rainforest is coming to do with us. We are saying that we are ready to partner and move our coffee to the next level.
We have 28 coffee cooperative societies with 72 coffee factories spread in these two counties. We want to ensure that all these societies, at least they are certified so that the coffee can be sold in those countries where the law has taken place to make sure that at least we are compliant with the rules that are needed by those countries.
Omo chando bogo simeka emete yemelingamu eyemanyakante buna blue gum ase chindoche nigo yarorekana koirali bagali nene asebono ekurate yarugwa uchiase abamenyi ba Gusii buna emete yo korusigwa ase chindoche.
Panzi wa miti pia na kutunza mazingira yetu kwa njia hii na ile itatusaidia katika kuboresha mazingira yetu. Waondoe miti ya mikalatusi katika mito, kingo za mito na chemichemi za mito. Mikaratusi ni miti tunayoita gum trees. Hii miti imefyonza maji katika mito na katika chemichemi za maji na kufanya nchi yetu kuwa kame. Nchi itakapokuwa kame na ardhi yetu itakapokosa maji itakosa rutuba.
To apply fertilizer, then we must take care of our conservation. Otherwise, if you don't conserve your soil, then everything you'll apply will just go down the drain. We have also collaborated very closely with KEFRI so that we can grow, we can do agroforestry and also be able to demonstrate to the EU that we are also coming in to work together with the producers so that they are able to comply with agroforestry and improve on the regenerative agriculture.
Kuripotelia egetaseni kia Ndizi TV, ili Italiane Mildred Momanyi.